Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shining nose. And if you ever saw it... Oh, dang it. Sorry, guys. I didn't know you were even there. Okay, who wants to play some games? Because I know I do.
I do.
So, let's play...
Hey, guys, if you forgot our names, it's Josh and Eli. We're brothers. Because why wouldn't we be brothers? We're going to play Toca Kitchen today.
Okay, let's turn the sound up.
We're going to do the guy with the beautiful mustache.
And this time, this round,
Mustache.
I'm going to play, and then Eli's going to play.
Mustache.
Mustichi.
Oh,
Ew.
What did you say?
I don't know why I said ew. What just happened?
You did it.
What?
I'm sorry. I meant to get to the fridge.
Ow! Too much commotion.
Hey.
He just said no way. Let's get him some of this.
Baby.
And then comes Codspur. Because why not? He wants some Codspur. And let's fry some Codspur, or whatever it's called. I think it's called Codspur anyway. Oh, that's disgusting.
Ew. Yeah. I'm sorry I'm
Ketchup.
talking like this, but
So, and some of this, some hot sauce,
a lot.
some pepper,
Only things
soy
are hot.
sauce. Da 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 da. Had the feathers shine along. And da 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 da. Eat it. That's disgusting, man. Why would you do such a thing?
It's so hot.
Dang it! I keep pressing that button. Stop laughing. It's not funny. Like a light bulb.
There's a light bulb right here.
Whoa!
And then let's get some of this.
Whoa!
Ooh, make a disgusting smoothie.
I know, that's what I'm going to do. And I need...
You have to have squinticles.
And then this.
You can't do that much.
Yeah, you can.
Wow!
Okay, here we go. This is going to be disgusting.
Disgusting.
Oh, come on.
See?
It already makes me want to throw
Oh!
up.
You can. Ew, it's brown.
Oh, it's disgusting.
It looks
Okay, that's gross.
sorry.
Okay, let's add some lemon
like... Why not?
to it.
Ooh, add everything.
I want spicy drink.
Everything. Didn't do the ketchup.
I know that.
That.
I know that.
Ew, it's shooting.
Oh, it's brown like blood. Okay, this is the best drink you'll ever have. I killed him. Oh, never mind.
Is he gonna die again? Or faint? Whatever. Yes, he is.
Tony. Put some nice steak. Of that. And then we will chop it. There. And then now we will blend it. What did you do, Eli? We'll blend it. And then we'll... What? It's just the blood of it.
Who's that? Oh, that's...
What? It only got a few pieces.
I mean, one piece.
Okay.
Whoa!
Nobody cares.
It's just the blood of it.
Okay, it's gonna be Eli's turn now. I'm gonna do this good. Because when you give her a really gross smoothie, she throws up. And then faints.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, she
She
does.
does.
Did you see Dan TDM watch it? Play it?
Yeah, but she doesn't.
Blah,
blah,
blah.
blah.
Actually, the one I watched, she did like it.
She does not like it, guys.
She do not like it.
Get my little trick back.
What is that? I don't know. It's a special type of fruit that I'm pretty sure nobody likes. I don't even know what it is. Make a disgusting smoothie. It's yellow, like pea. Oh no, brown. Never mind.
What?
It was yellow.
I'm gonna add literally everything, guys.
She has like an eek face.
How about a little bit of hot sauce? Huh? You don't like that? Well, too bad.
Very quiet.
Guys, shh, shh. Shush. Shush. You shush. Well, guys, I want to talk about you. Let's talk about
Watch this. Yeah, too bad.
And it's green.
It kind of looks like her cousin. And she's like, ugh. I can't remember her name.
Ooh, let's make a fruit smoothie.
Because that actually makes sense.
She can eat that whole watermelon?
Do it.
Do it. No. Not yet. He's like gonna make a smoothie.
It's gonna taste good. I don't know how it's gonna look like. Or brown. It's orange. Hint of brown.
I know she likes it. You can. Ooh. Hello. I tried to take away from you. More?
Give her a peach. Peach.
Stop saying that. I hate your voice.
Okay, now blend that all up.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
You have to swipe.
Stop it.
You can't do that, Eli.
No. Oh. Why is it yellow?
It'll taste. Okay, let's see.
Now you didn't finish your pea.
Wait. No, boil it. Boil it. Boil it. No, boil it.
But I have to cut first.
No, you don't.
Ah! Ew. This sounds disgusting. Ew. Look at. Does anybody hear that sound except for me?
Hold on, just this. Oh, disgusting. Okay.
Guys, don't say it sounds like you know what. Yeah.
Because it does.
Everybody knows what it sounds like. It sounds like... I'm not gonna do it. You like that. But you do not like this. See, watch this. It's just cod sperm.
Okay, guys, I think that will leave us good for today. So I guess.
Bye.
Bye.